How to edit text in Photoshop. So let's say we want to add text on top of this image. To add text, go to the Type tool or press T on your keyboard. Then click on your image and type your text. Then click the check mark in the top menu. Now you can change its size, font type, style, or color. Go to the Options toolbar above and search for the font type you'd like to use. You can also set the font style, such as italic, bold, or regular. But be warned, some font types don't have these kind of options. Now, with this option, you can set the font size by clicking or dragging on the icon to increase or decrease the font size. You can also set the text alignment to center, left, or right alignment. And you can click this option here to change the font color, and the color picker window will pop up. You can choose the next color you'd like for your text, then click OK. Now, click this option to open the character and paragraph panel, which contains additional text settings. We can also open this panel in the Window menu. This panel has the same options we saw in the option bar and many more options like tracking, kerning, vertical scale, horizontal scale, and so much more. You can also change the font size of your text by using Transform. Simply click on your text and press Ctrl-T on your keyboard. You can drag and scale text non-destructively. You can notice that when you scale your text up or down, the font size will also change. Now, to make your text more visible at the top of your image, you can add a shape under your text. To do this, click on the layer below your text layer and then click the Shape tool or press U on your keyboard. Then create a shape underneath your text. You can also customize the color of the shape or lower the opacity. And that's it! You've now added text on top of your image in Photoshop.